Now, Microsoft is a name that most of us will not be a stranger to. Our next session is Better Together Business Acceleration with Microsoft Partnerships. To tell us more, we have Pratima Amonka, Area Head for Cloud Solution Partners, Microsoft APAC.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratima Munkar. I lead the work that we do with cloud solution partners across of APAC. And for the next few minutes, I'd like to talk to you about how you and we can work together in a partnership to accelerate your business. It's so hard to predict what the future is going to look like. If I ask any of you about, look at what is going to be the key trend in the next 3 to 5 years, it's going to be very difficult to actually make a prediction, particularly when we are looking at a global reset these days. But there are some things that are clear that, we can count on. One is definitely a basic dichotomy at the heart of everything that's digital. That is, there is going to be some things on the cloud and some stuff that is going to happen on the edge. We know that. We know that we're going to have ubiquitous computing, which is going to generate data across millions and millions of data points. And this is where the digital feedback loop comes into existence. What does this loop really mean is that it will take data from newer and newer software infused sources, pick up that data, bring it together, and convert it into insight. And as financial services organizations, you're going to be able to look at data from so many sources, whether it is customer interactions or employees or even ambient data and geospatial data. All of this will create a feedback loop that will help you actually innovate and help to transform your business and innovate and meet customer needs as you go forward. So in summary, my first key message to all of you is invent with purpose. And if you look at the top building blocks to help you invent with purpose, what does that mean? First and foremost, you need tech that meets your needs, not just for today, but tech that will meet your needs for tomorrow. So which will keep pace with you. And cloud, as you know, is moving so fast. Every week a new technology comes in and you need your own IP, your own data to be able to actually be future ready. So your solution has to be future ready. So as you develop and build, you need to think about how you would like to build on your own terms with tools and with frameworks that you are familiar with. Next, you want to be able to operate hybrid seamlessly. The reality is that you're going to have data, some of the data sitting on-prem, some of it sitting on the edge, some of it sitting in a hybrid data center somewhere, some of it sitting on a public cloud. What is going to be critical for you is going to be that it will need to be hybrid. It will need to be seamlessly operating with least amount of cost and impact on you. So that's another important thing. Lastly, nothing is going to be more important than a trustworthy cloud. And that is, about security, about threat protection, about being compliant. So with over 1,000 capabilities released by Azure just in the last year, I would bring to you the power of cutting edge technology immediately, allowing you to really focus on what is going to be your domain expertise so that you can innovate with that. Next, when you're talking about building on your own terms, I would like to reiterate our commitment towards making it super easy for you and your dev team, so that you can work with the most familiar tools, the most familiar processes that you have. With this, as well as the Microsoft Power Platform, we will help you take your solutions out into market at the fastest time possible, cutting down dev time so that your developers can focus on high value tasks and actually accelerate the delivery of your solution really quickly. So with financial services also, we know that operating seamlessly on a hybrid cloud is really critical. Everyday conversations that we have with customers and partners are really centered around being able to keep some of your data on-prem, some of it in the cloud, some of it on the edge, and run operations seamlessly. And more importantly, really be assured of consistent and reliable performance. And finally, and most importantly, you need to be able to trust your cloud and be the most compliant, secure cloud that you have. And folks, with over 91 compliance offerings, Azure absolutely brings you the most comprehensive cloud coverage in the industry. But all of us know it's not just about building great IP. It's not about just ensuring that you're iteratively including the latest capabilities in that IP. And it's not just about bringing that IP in front of customers. What you really need is something that will bring everything together. All of these three together will make the impact. And that's where we can be a strong partner for you on this space. And that's where we can help make that a reality. We offer you success through our platform, our services, our processes, our tools, our programs. We have aligned our programs and our business to yours with the view of being able to empower you to create solutions that solve, that disrupt, that transform your customers' journey. We will help you energize your growth by leveraging the go-to-market scale of Microsoft. We will help you build cutting-edge, future-ready solutions that address the complex needs of businesses today as well as businesses of tomorrow. We will help you enrich this IP and also help you actually differentiate your solutions with a cloud that supports the experiences, supports the tools that you need. The reason why we do that is because we know for a fact that when we work together, you and us together, we can accomplish more. And therefore, we have a shared commitment to growth. We have built all these programs to better align our goals and our joint efforts to optimize and actually meet customer needs across the globe. Thank you for making it a success, and thank you for joining us in this journey. Partners make more possible. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of our partners on how they have made their journey with Microsoft a success.
Hi, and thanks for having me today. My name is Xavier LeBaron, and I am the GTM lead for the Microsoft Adobe partnership across APAC. Microsoft and Adobe have come together to create a long-term strategic vision and plan for the era of the empowered digital consumer. Integrating deeply complementary technology stacks, Adobe and Microsoft are working closely together to solve the enterprise data challenge by building unified solutions and common data models. With a united vision and united data, the Adobe and Microsoft Better Together value is based around the intelligent cloud and defined by exceptional and personalized digital experiences. Quoting Satya Nadella, the fact that you can now think about your transformation efforts as an end-to-end data process, from how your customer experience works to your supply chain data, to me, that is the unlock, unquote. Adobe and Microsoft are now beginning year 4 of an 8-year partnership that is renewable and extensible, as our relationship is built to deliver long-term value to our joint customers. Our deep partnership enables our teams to work closely together with customers to help them transform and deliver great experiences across all channels by uniting data, content, and processes. Our mission is to enable our customers to embrace and realize digital transformation and tackle CXM challenges so they can stay at the forefront of the digital economy. A great example of this is the recent solution we co-sold to Central Provident Fund here in Singapore. It's another inspiring story of how our joint solution played a pivotal role in helping the organization transform the way it engages with its stakeholders, citizens, customers, and employees alike. This is also the first AEM managed service in core government in Singapore, and it runs on Azure. So in closing, Adobe and Microsoft partnership solves the key issues, including delivering a customer experience management through 12 integrated applications, solving the data estate problem through the Open Data Initiative, bringing marketing and sales closer together to deliver authentic, personalized experiences, simplifying business-critical decision-making through the most powerful AI and ML capabilities, enabling B2B, B2C, and also account-based marketing best-in-class solution, driving market-leading targeting and segmentation.
Hi, my name is Oliver Reich, and I'm the CEO of Alpha FinTech. Amongst our customers, we count some of the largest banks in Southeast Asia, some of the most successful unicorns, and some of the largest retailers. These customers have selected us as a managed service provider, and aside from the quality of our software and product, what they cared for is our security, stability, and scalability. So when we went to the market to find somebody who provided us those qualities, who could grow with us and we with them, who could help us calibrate the solution so that it fits these discerning customers, there really was just one provider who stuck out, and that is Microsoft Azure. It isn't just a geographic footprint that provides us the ability to grow internationally, but the knowledge and the experience that we're continuously receiving and the guidance that we're also getting from Microsoft that has helped us build a world-class solution that not only helped us launch the first large customer for whom we're processing nearly $20 billion worth of volume for, but now has also helped provide the necessary confidence and belief in us to get several more of Southeast Asia's largest organization, financial institutions, and unicorns. For that, we're incredibly grateful for having chosen the best partner there is in this industry, and that's Microsoft Azure.
Hello, I'm Suresh Shankar, founder and CEO of Crayon Data. Crayon is an AI and big data startup headquartered in Singapore. Crayon is one of Microsoft's top IP co-sell partners, and they've been phenomenal in helping us scale our platform Maya.ai, which is a leading personalization engine in consumer banking. Here are 4 ways how Microsoft has helped us scale. 1. Increase leads. They've helped us expand our lead pipeline by organizing an array of lead generation activities and provided up to 80% funding support for some campaigns. Result? We have close to 40 leads in just the last few months. 2. They've helped us progress deals through the pipe. They've connected us with key stakeholders in over 20 banks in Southeast Asia, Australia, and New Zealand through personalized events and virtual roadshows, enabling us to make much faster progress. 3. They're helping us close strategic deals with their strategic accounts, leveraging their expertise and their reach. An example, a leading global bank is now on the verge of a multi-country deployment, largely enabled through Microsoft. 4. Scale technology. Microsoft's expertise has been phenomenal in helping us not only cut cloud costs and reduce cloud consumption, but scale our deployments, enable high security environments for large banks, ensure the highest standards of data privacy, and most importantly, help clients migrate to the cloud. Together with Microsoft, Crayon hopes to onboard over 250 million customers onto the Maya.ai platform and grow 10x over the next 24 months. Better together.
Hello, my name is James Green. I'm Chief Marketing Officer of Singapore-based fintech DLT Ledgers. DLT Ledgers is one of Asia's fastest growing software companies that has chosen to build its product on blockchain. And we work with traders, especially commodity traders, but also corporates or anyone involved in import and export. Now, typically our customers will save around 30% of the time that they spend executing their cross-border transactions, and up to 25% of the cost of financing those transactions. DLT Ledgers has partnered with Microsoft from the very beginning. We launched in January 2018. We built our nodal network to be hosted in the cloud with Microsoft Azure. And our product is designed to make the most of Azure's highly secure, robust, and global infrastructure. As a marketer, my work with Microsoft has been focused on go-to-market. And we've worked with multiple teams within Microsoft Asia Pacific and beyond. And it sounds like a cliche, but the Microsoft team has genuinely functioned like an extension of our own team. They've been consistently proactive in their support. They've followed up with us at every opportunity to see how we're getting on. And they've given us a go-to-market capability of a company many times our own size.
Welcome to the FinTech Festival, everybody. My name is Arun Pujari. I'm the General Manager for Spark Beyond. We've been helping banks across the world and young FinTech companies in the region, and we chose Azure as our partner to do so. AI and ML need a first-class environment to live in, and there was no better place than Azure that we thought. What happens with Azure, while we have the compute and resources, there are cognitive services such as Azure AutoML, translation services, the Bing search services, and a whole set of operationalization elements that make this very compelling for us to say, this is what we are telling you that you did not know about your customer. This is how you can score your customers in real time in offline mode and also put it into operation. This is extremely critical for many organizations that we work with. While there are many technology benefits, one of the key benefits that we have seen with Azure is making sure the bias and ethics are front and center with everything that we do. Now, you may have heard of how when you do AI-based approach, there could be tremendous amount of bias, whether the data that you learn from, how you choose to apply this, and so on and so forth. When we leverage Azure, we build the right checks and balances so governments and organizations and companies are aware of what kind of bias exists. Our partnership is extremely dear to us, and we look forward to scaling it in years to come. Thank you.
Microsoft has been a great partner for Unscramble over the years. Together, Microsoft and Unscramble helps organizations redefine how they consume data and analytics. Unscramble Cubo Insights, which is an AI-powered personal data analyst, empowers the business users to create their own data experiences. Microsoft has been a tremendous help for us, both for market reach, which is extremely important for a small company like ours, and also with its comprehensive technology platform, which includes Azure offerings, data and AI capabilities, and more recently, Microsoft Teams. Cubo Insights, which is our AI-powered personal data analyst, is available natively within Microsoft Teams. Together with Microsoft, we have delivered our solutions to some marquee customers in the region. Singapore Airports is using Unscramble solutions for the AI-enabled decision management system. We help XL Axiata, Indonesia's second largest telecom services provider, to unlock data and insight within Teams from a backend 5 petabyte on-premises data lake. And soon we are going live with our solutions at an insurance company in the region where we unlock data and analytics again within Teams from Microsoft Azure Synapse. Microsoft has been a great partner and our bet as we scale globally.
Hi, my name is Rick Tam Daniels, Vice President of Strategic Ecosystems and Technology with Informatica. The Microsoft partnership is a long-standing relationship and one that is extremely deep, not just from a joint go-to-market perspective, but also from an engineering and technology standpoint. Our top leadership is aligned with folks like Scott Guthrie, Rohan Kumar, also from a go-to-market standpoint, Julia White, and we enjoy not only that strategic alignment that ensures that we bring cohesive solutions to market, but also we benefit from the fact that Microsoft provides a very mature partner program as well as global coverage. Informatica is a global company. We want to bring digital transformation to all of our customers, and the partnership with Microsoft ensures that we can bring the right technical expertise to the customer no matter where it's needed around the world. With Microsoft, we're very much focused on helping customers achieve a data culture. And we think about that in terms of taking data and analytics and helping customers go into the world of data 4.0. where they're leveraging AI and machine learning and advanced analytics techniques to fundamentally transform their businesses and adapt to today's changing environment, which, to be honest, is changing almost daily for most enterprises.